Chapter 7. Bankruptcy is a legal process. It helps people who can no longer afford their debts. It allows them to get a fresh start. Filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy will severely impact your credit score. However, it is not the end of the road. Many people have successfully rebuilt their credit after bankruptcy. They have gone on to achieve their financial goals. This includes owning a home. Bankruptcy stays on your credit report for up to 10 years. The impact lessens over time. Rebuild your credit to qualify for better loans. Take the first step towards a brighter financial future. Rebuilding your credit is crucial after bankruptcy. It takes time and effort. Start by checking your credit reports for any errors. You can get free reports from the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, but dispute any inaccuracies you find. This will help to improve your credit score. The most important step is to establish a positive payment history. Pay all your bills on time. This includes rent, utilities, and any remaining debts. Consider getting a secured credit card. This type of card requires a security deposit. It reports your payment history to the credit bureaus. It helps you build credit responsibly. Keep your credit utilization low. This means using a small portion of your available credit. Aim for a credit utilization ratio below 30%. After a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, there are waiting periods before you can qualify for a mortgage. These waiting periods vary depending on the type of loan and the lender. For an FHA loan, the waiting period is 2 years from the date your bankruptcy was discharged. FHA loans are backed by the Federal Housing Administration. They are popular among first-time home buyers. VA loans, backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, have a 2-year waiting period. Conventional loans typically have a 4-year waiting period. They often have stricter credit and income requirements. It's best to talk to a mortgage lender to determine your eligibility. Section 4. Preparing for your mortgage application. Preparing for a mortgage application after bankruptcy requires careful planning. Start by saving for a down payment. Even a small down payment can significantly improve your chances of getting approved. Aim for a down payment of at least 3.5% for an FHA loan or 3% for a conventional loan. Gather all the necessary financial documents. This includes your bankruptcy discharge papers, tax returns, pay stubs, and bank statements. Having these documents ready will expedite the application process. Get pre-approved for a mortgage. This will give you an estimate of how much you can borrow. It will also show sellers that you are a serious buyer. Work with a mortgage professional experienced in post-bankruptcy cases. They can guide you through the process and help you find the best loan options. Section 5. Finding the right lender in Detroit. Finding the right lender is crucial when you're getting a mortgage after bankruptcy. In Detroit, you have access to a variety of lenders, each with its own policies and requirements. Start by researching different lenders online and comparing their rates and terms. Look for lenders who specialize in helping borrowers with less than perfect credit. Don't be afraid to ask for recommendations from friends, family, or a real estate agent. Once you've identified a few potential lenders, schedule consultations to discuss your situation. Explain your bankruptcy history and your plans for rebuilding your credit. Ask about their experience working with borrowers in similar situations. A good lender will take the time to understand your circumstances and help you find the best mortgage solution for your needs. Section 6. The importance of home ownership. Owning a home is more than just having a place to live. It's an investment in your future. It provides stability, builds equity, and strengthens your community ties. When you own a home, you have the freedom to personalize your living space. You can make improvements that increase its value. Home ownership also offers tax advantages, such as deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes. In Detroit, where the housing market is experiencing a resurgence, owning a home can be a smart financial move. It allows you to build wealth and participate in the city's revitalization. Section 7. Your path to home ownership awaits. Obtaining a mortgage after. Chapter 7, bankruptcy may seem daunting, but it's achievable. By understanding the process, rebuilding your credit, and working with the right professionals, you can overcome the challenges and achieve your home ownership dreams. Remember that your credit score is not a reflection of your worth. It's a financial indicator that can be improved with time and effort. Stay focused on your goals, be patient, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Detroit's resilient spirit is a testament to the power of new beginnings. Embrace this spirit as you embark on your journey to home ownership. Your dream home is within reach. Take the first step today. Remember, improving your credit takes time and patience, but the rewards are worth it. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. Also, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your journey.